This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Move the safety catch to the side and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge. The coolant reservoir is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. The minimum and maximum levels are indicated on the side of the reservoir. With the engine cold, the level should be between the two marks. When the engine is hot, the level may rise slightly above the maximum mark. If topping up is required, wait until the engine is cold. Then slowly unscrew the reservoir cap, gradually releasing any residual pressure. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add a 50-50 mixture of the correct antifreeze and water until the level is halfway between the level marks. Remove the funnel and securely refit the reservoir cap. The engine oil level dipstick and oil filler cap are often brightly coloured for easy identification. With the engine switched off, withdraw the dipstick and wipe it clean. Fully reinsert the dipstick, then withdraw it again and examine the level of the oil on the end. The oil level should be between the upper and lower marks on the dipstick. If the oil level is only just above or below the lower mark, topping up is required. Unscrew the oil filler cap and, using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade of engine oil a little at a time. Frequently checking the level on the dipstick. Take care not to add too much. When you've finished, reinsert the dipstick, remove the funnel and securely refit the filler cap. The brake fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. On some models, the clutch hydraulic system uses the same reservoir as the brakes, whereas on others, a separate clutch fluid reservoir is located on the left or right-hand side of the compartment. The maximum and minimum fluid levels are indicated on the side of the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between these marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, wipe clean the area around the filler cap, then unscrew the cap. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add .4 fluid, taking care not to spill any on the surrounding components. With the level correct, remove the funnel and securely refit the reservoir cap. The washer fluid reservoir filler cap is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Open the cap and top up the reservoir using a mixture of water and screen wash additive. With the reservoir topped up, Press the cap down firmly to secure it. Detach the support prop from the bonnet hinge and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's securely locked.